this is entirely Salman sir's work. This is my only favorite painting from all. The minute I saw all the paintings, I was like, "ये मुझे चाहिए." Painted by, again, the name is right here. I've never worn them. I don't know how to style them. Look at the color. This one's Miko. He's 2 years old, and he's Theo. He's 3 years old. I can't vacation like my mom. She wakes up at 7 a.m. just for the sightseeing. How is that a vacation? No, it's not. Hi, Mashable India. Welcome to my home. Like, we are out most of the time for our work, right? When you come home, you want to come to a space which is your own sanctuary, where you feel peace, you can feel the calmness, and that's the entire idea of making a house like this, because white automatically makes you feel calm, and browns, obviously, that is something that makes you feel grounded. So we didn't want to go for a traditional center table. This is a trunk, as you can see, but it's also quite functional. It has a lot of storage on the side and on the other side. And because it's heavy, this is how we close it. So don't judge. So this was one of the invites for 60th Filmfare Awards. So, okay, let me take this. Mama. Yeah, but it doesn't have alcohol, okay? Bar as in like all the essential stuff, like the glasses and the tongs and all those things. The biggest painting in my house, and it is also a joint effort of 3-4 people. So one is me, one is a painter, and one is Salman sir himself. These are all different pieces. So that's a different piece, that's a different piece, this one is a different piece. Like, if you can see, they can all come out. First, in fact, this was made. This is entirely Salman sir's work. हमारा मतलब 1% योगदान भी नहीं है इसके अंदर. That, this, the other things के अंदर हम लोग ने सब काम किया. In fact, raided Salman sir's garage where he keeps all the paintings, and I picked up all the ones that I liked. They say that this is the Jesus face, but it can also be a man, right, who's praying. In this also, it's this one. So it's like Salam Dua. So yeah, a lot of pieces in my house has that, but that's also because that is what Salman sir paints most of the time. Like, anything related to art obviously catches my eye. I love the paintings. When I do go for a lot of painting exhibitions. I have friends who actually paint, and I wouldn't say that I'm a painter, but that's how I tried my hands on doing something, and I feel it's very therapeutic. So this side of the house is basically the nerdy side, okay? Because as you can see, there are a lot of books, there are few awards. The Rosie Project is one of my favorites. Then obviously, I mean, this book is something that you can never go wrong, The Secret. But I do give it a break with another read in between. This is the first award that I ever got. This was for Jai Ho. Then again, this was for Lions Group for Jai Ho again. This was for my Gujarati film. This is again the Best Actress Award for my Gujarati film that I did. A Filmfare Award. And I was so happy to get this award because it says star with a cause. And I do work with a lot of NGOs who take care of the stray animals. And this award is for that. So if there's an award that I would really, really want, then it would be an award for humanitarian, because that is something that we all need to have, and getting awarded for that is something that people have acknowledged you for the kind of work that you have done for the society. So there's a place called Maudi. It's in Gujarat. So we go there every Diwali for 3 days, and apparently they have around 25,000 cows. So we get this memento from them because we take care of the 25,000 cows there, from their medical to their food to shelter to everything. For animals, my passion has been there since childhood. That's also because it comes to me from my dad. My dad was a big time animal lover, and I think that is where I've inherited this entire thought and the feelings and everything. So there are people who have come to me and told me कि अरे मैडम आपके डाइनिंग टेबल का पेंटिंग निकल गया है, आप पेंट करवा दो. To which I have to correct them कि ये ऐसा ही है. It's supposed to be that way because it's on the vintage side, and the reason why it looks like this because it's supposed to be. This one's Miko. He's 2 years old, and he's Theo. He's 3 years old, and he knows how to climb up and down from the dining table. This one, my poor baby, doesn't. So this is their manner karne wala zone. I don't say punishment zone because that is not the right word to use, especially this one, because I know that he can literally go on to anybody and start irritating them to the core, in a good way, in a bad way, both. I had a Chihuahua, and she passed away in 2021 January. Now this guy was born in 2020 December. So where my previous dog used to go for grooming, the owner of that place has a lot of dogs, okay? So one of his dogs littered, and this guy is from that litter. Most importantly, I wanted to talk about this painting because it means equality. This is Salman sir's hand, actually. So they were shooting for some film somewhere abroad, and there were like 4 actors. I don't remember the movie's name. I mean, he told me this story. So this idea just came into his mind, and he's like, "Ke charo jo actors hai, वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर हाथ रखते हैं, तस्बीह रखी, this is what tasbih is, which जो माला जपते हैं वो, and that's how this painting came into existence. And when I saw it, I was like, can I please keep this painting because I really like. So then Salman sir was like, कि ये नीलेश की painting है, उसको पूछ. If he doesn't have a problem, I don't have any problem. And it's Mother Mary and obviously Jesus. It's painted by, again, the name is right here. This is my only favorite painting from all. The minute I saw all the paintings, I was like, ye mujhe chahiye. He is that kind of a person who generously gives his paintings to people who he really cares about, and in general also. Like, I think Jacqueline also has a lot of paintings in her house of Salman sir's. Ayush, obviously, Arpita and Ayush, they have. I think Bhushan sir, like Bhushan Kumar has it, Kishan Kumar has. I mean, he loves painting, that I know, and he also loves gifting his paintings. This is my kitchen, as you can see. Kitchen was our space during the lockdown. We used to make many things. So it was me and my sister who made different kind of cuisines, like from falafels to wraps to God knows what all we made, because right now when it comes to name it out, it's very difficult. But I know for a fact that हम लोग बाहर जाते थे just to buy all the ingredients, come back home and start making it. So we have spent at least 12 hours every day in the kitchen. It's a Gujju family, come on, we are foodies, we love to eat. I have made this a point that wherever I travel, I will come back with a souvenir, that is a fridge magnet, and I want to fill the entire fridge by fridge magnets. If I have to go for a vacation, I like to vacation in the same vicinity. Because for me, vacation is about unwinding, it's about relaxing. I don't really understand, like, I can't vacation like my mom. She wakes up at 7 a.m. just for the sightseeing. How is that a vacation? No, it's not. So this is my bedroom. I actually like to do nothing in my free time. Like, all I do is like binge watch something on any of the OTT platforms, or I play with my dogs, or I make it into a grooming session for my dogs. Oh yeah, I finished watching Parasites. It's a Korean drama, and yesterday I started Queen of Tears. I was a bed snacker, I'm not anymore, because they say कि कोई भी खाना bed पे नहीं खाना चाहिए because it weakens your stars. So let's move on to my closet. There's no favorite pair in my shoes. All of them are my favorite. So slides, I would say these are my favorite ones, but of course, like India doesn't allow us to wear this, but I hope someday. My favorite pair of boots, it has to be these. They're the LV ones, and then you twist, so it becomes LV. There are few pieces that you like, but you can't wear them. So this is that. I love these heels, but they're so uncomfortable that I can't wear them. So there's this one pair of boots that I love. I've never worn them. I don't know how to style them, but I only love them because look at the color. I got them from Cape Town, South Africa, when I was shooting for Khatron Ke Khiladi. So thank you, Mashable India, for visiting my home. I had a lovely time, and I hope to see you very, very soon. Until then, bye.